If you're watching your blood sugar level, or if you're just curious about natural products to support your health, stay with me. Today, we're looking into a little known Filipino treasure that could impact your health in big ways. Let's talk about Kaong Vinegar. Hello, my name is Dr. Hanz Bustamante and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Kaong vinegar, also known as Sukang Kaong or Sukang Irok, is a traditional Filipino vinegar made from the sap of the Kaong palm, a native tree found in the riverbank and ravines in the Philippines, especially in the areas south of Manila. The sap is naturally sweet, but when it's fermented the traditional way, which is slow and wild, it transforms into this tangy, slightly fruity vinegar that's packed with health benefits. Now, let's talk blood sugar. Kaong vinegar, like apple cider vinegar, contains acetic acid. And that's the real MVP here. Acetic acid helps slow down how carbs are broken down and absorbed, meaning fewer sugar spikes after meals. It also improves insulin sensitivity, especially after a high carbohydrate meal. Your body, therefore, needs less insulin to get the same job done. Picture this: same plate of rice without your blood sugar shooting through the roof right after. Pretty amazing, right? But it doesn't stop there because Kaong vinegar is raw and traditionally fermented, so it's therefore rich in probiotics, which is good for gut health. It also has polyphenols and antioxidants that may support weight control and fight inflammation. So it's not just a sugar hack, it's a whole body boost. Wondering how to use it? Easy. Have you ever tried fern salad with pomelo chunks? Drizzle it over salad instead of dressing to avoid overpowering the innate flavors of the ingredients. And you can add a tablespoon to a glass of water before meals, especially if it's carb heavy, as a blood sugar pregame. Use it in marinades, dipping sauces, even in a Filipino style ceviche called kinilaw. So, if you're looking for an easy way to get on top of your health and support sustainable traditions, Kaong vinegar ought to be your new pantry hero. Swap your usual vinegar for this hidden gem and see the difference in your meals and in your health. This has been Dr. Hanz MD for Dr. Hanz MD YouTube channel. We'll see you again next time.